Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on X.com, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you want your account to look fresh, professional, or just more like you, updating your profile picture is one of the quickest ways to do it. And don't worry, the process is very easy, whether you're using a computer or a browser on your phone. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your X account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left sidebar. You should see your main navigation menu there. Click on Profile. This will take you straight to your public profile page, where people can see your posts, bio, banner, and profile photo. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. This is the place where you can update your name, bio, location, website, and of course, your profile picture. Click Edit Profile to open the editing window. Inside the profile editor, find your current profile picture. Click directly on the image. This will bring up the options for changing it. X makes this part simple, so you don't need any special tools or editing software just to upload a new photo. From the options that appear, select Upload Photo. This tells X that you want to choose a brand new image from your device. A file browser will open, and from here, you can pick the picture you want to use. Go ahead and choose an image from your computer or device. For the best results, try to use a clear, high-quality photo. Square images usually work best because profile pictures are displayed in a circular format, so a square image gives you better control over what stays visible. After you select the image, X may let you adjust or crop it. This is important because you want to make sure your face or logo is centered properly and nothing important gets cut off. Take a moment here to position the image the way you want it to appear on your profile. Once you're happy with the crop or adjustment, click Apply or Save, depending on what your version of X shows. This confirms the image selection and brings it back into the profile editor. The last step is very important. At the top of the profile editor, click Save to make sure all of your changes are published. If you skip this step, your new profile picture may not actually update. Once you save it, your profile photo will be changed immediately. And that's it. Your new profile picture is now live on X.com. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how your account looks and how people recognize you online. If you want a cleaner personal brand, a more professional look, or just a fresh new identity for your account, this is one of the easiest updates you can make. Before you go, remember these quick tips. Use a clear image so it looks sharp even when it's displayed small. Make sure your photo is well lit and easy to recognize. Square images are the safest choice, and supported formats usually include JPG, PNG, and sometimes AF, as long as it's not animated for a profile picture. Taking a few extra seconds to choose the right image can help your profile look much better. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.